I'm so tired of my MazdaSpeed 3 sounding like this. So today we're gonna make it sound like this. You guys think I can shoulder press this thing? Ultimate Racing Catback Exhaust. Let's unbox it. But a quick word from today's sponsor. Car broke while doing an install and can't get anywhere? Ride your ass to the parts store with a Hiboy Max Pro. Featuring dual suspension, 11-inch tires in a sport mode that does 35 kilometers an hour, and an eco mode just in case, you know, you want to take things slow. First parts store doesn't have your part? No worries. This thing does up to 75 kilometers of range. That is... That's crazy. If you use code CRMAXPRO, you can get 5% off your order. Besides, Hiboy is always offering some crazy deals. Get yourself an electric scooter today. Guys, this right here is a brand new Ultimate Racing Catback Exhaust. Oh, baby. Tell me this is brand new without telling me this is brand new. MazdaSpeeds do get loud with the catless downpipe, so I thought it would be nice to kind of have a decent sound instead of just insanely obnoxious. So this exhaust is a little bit warm because I was running the car earlier. You don't want to do it too hot, but you also want it to be pretty warm. What is this? So this is a second cat delete. So this is a test pipe that comes down to the catback. These exhausts are held on by these springs. These don't look like they're going to be savable at all, but you guys should send some penetrating fluid on these because we'll want to try and save these. And that goes for all of the exhaust. Now we've just come over to the other side. We're gonna go ahead and tackle this one before we remove everything. So there's the 2 bolts, the one up top, and then just the one at the bottom. I have 40 minutes of footage. It actually felt like it took a lot longer of me cutting the exhaust out because the Gen 2 design of where you actually don't have to cut it out, you can just unbolt it, stripped. These bolts just stripped out, like, and it's such a tough angle to cut it out. It's all out anyway. I mean, removal for the most part is just those 2 flanges up front you have to remove, and then the rest are just exhaust hangers. Ultimate Racing's cool. They put stickers on where the flow is supposed to go, so you kind of... Our finishing touches are going to be the exhaust tips, but I want to do a exhaust test just to make sure there's no leaks, so enjoy a potential cold start. So kind of able to customize how far out these go. So we're gonna attach our exhaust tips here. Guys, our Ultimate Racing Catback is fully installed, which means there is one thing left to do. Put this back on the ground and let's take it for a test drive. Let's go ahead and start this thing and see what it sounds like. We're gonna go for a little drive here. I just want you guys to remember this is second cat deleted as well, so the sound will differ if you guys, you know, put this on your stock or, you know, catless downpipe speed. But this is a general idea of, you know, what this is gonna sound like. Sounds great at idle. I'm really excited to hear. Just sounds really clean so far. Yeah, just driving around, it sounds pretty good. Oh, I am so happy to have an exhaust on the Speed 3. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a like, and comment down below what you guys think about the Ultimate Racing Catback Exhaust. Other than that, guys, keep it real. I'll see y'all in the next one.